Choosing the right CNC controller can be confusing. Unstable signals, limited axis support, complex setup, and poor compatibility often slow down your workflow. A reliable CNC controller ensures smooth motion, precise cutting, and better overall machine performance. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best CNC controllers you can consider, perfect for engraving, milling, and plasma cutting. We researched specs, performance, and real user feedback to build this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. Digital Dream DDCSE CNC Offline Controller. The Digital Dream DDCSE CNC Offline Controller is a powerful solution for 3, 4, and 5-axis engraving and milling machines. It works without a PC, offering stable offline control and reducing system errors. The user-friendly interface makes operations simple, while support for G-code ensures wide compatibility. It delivers smooth motion control and precise positioning for detailed work. Built for durability and consistent performance, it's ideal for hobbyists and professionals who need a reliable, standalone controller for complex CNC tasks. Number 4. LUNYEE GRBL USB CNC Control Board. The LUNYEE GRBL CNC Control Board is a compact and budget-friendly 3-axis controller designed for engraving machines. It features an integrated driver and uses the popular GRBL firmware, making it easy to set up and widely compatible with CNC software. The USB connection allows direct control from your computer, ensuring flexibility and convenience. Despite its small size, it provides stable performance for light to medium tasks. This controller is perfect for beginners and DIY users looking for an affordable CNC upgrade. Number 3. POWACE DM800 CNC Offline Controller. The POWACE DM800 CNC Offline Controller supports 3, 4, and 5-axis machines and offers advanced standalone operation without needing a computer. It features a hand wheel for precise manual control and includes an emergency stop function for added safety. Supporting G-code files, it ensures compatibility with various CNC setups. The 24-volt DC power design enhances stability, while its intuitive interface simplifies operation. This controller is a great choice for users who need both automated precision and manual control flexibility. Number 2. Fangling F2100B Plasma CNC Controller. The Fangling F2100B is a specialized 2-axis CNC controller designed for plasma and flame cutting machines. It offers high precision and stable control for industrial cutting applications. With its digital interface and optimized motion algorithms, it ensures smooth cutting paths and accurate results. The system supports various cutting parameters and is built for reliability in demanding environments. Ideal for workshops and industrial use, this controller delivers consistent performance for plasma cutting projects. Number 1. DDCSE 3.1 CNC Offline Motion Controller. The DDCSE 3.1 CNC Offline Motion Controller stands out as the most advanced option on this list. It replaces traditional Mach 3-based systems and offers smooth, high-speed motion control in a durable metal housing. Supporting multiple axes, it delivers excellent precision and stability for complex machining tasks. Its standalone operation eliminates the need for a PC, reducing lag and errors. With a clear display and user-friendly controls, it's perfect for professionals seeking a powerful and reliable CNC control solution. A good CNC controller improves precision, stability, and overall performance. These 5 options offer great features for beginners, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Whether for engraving, milling, or plasma cutting, there's a perfect fit for your needs. Which one would you choose? Comment below.